Computational design is the bridge between computer science and architecture. So it combines both disciplines and brings out the best of both worlds.
Computational design is design that is empowered by computers to create more efficiency, accuracy, and automation. My experience as a student of computational design, having previously come from the Bachelor of Architectural Studies, has been extremely good in being able to gain practical skills and seeing what that is like within industry, in connection with industry partners, as opposed to just having an idea of what an architect does. And having this experience, I definitely feel more prepared to work within industry.
I was fortunate enough to do an internship with Habitat for Humanity Cambodia. And with this non-government organization, we were building low-cost housing for underprivileged communities in Cambodia.
I chose UNSW because of the flexibility that it gave me when choosing degree options, especially if you have a previous degree that you'd like to build upon, or even if you're looking to do something new.
So the options after you graduate with a degree in computational design include urban planning, landscape architecture, going into research, and there's multiple options, after you graduate, and I guess that's the beauty of it.